Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes.
Yes students, today we are going to do the mean deviation of discrete frequency distribution. Here you people are watching this distribution, no? So this is the only discrete frequency distribution. In the earlier class, we have learned how to calculate mean deviation of an individual series, but this distribution which you are watching over here, it is the discrete frequency distribution. Now the question arises, how to calculate the mean deviation about mean or median in such type of the distribution. Yes students, to calculate mean deviation in discrete frequency distribution, we are going to use this particular formula. Now see here, this n, what is the meaning of this n? This n means sigma fi. Sigma fi means students, the sum of the frequencies. Like in this question, it will be 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5. So this is your n, which is sigma fi. And a is your average. Average, it can be mean, it can be median as well. Fine. So to calculate mean deviation in a discrete frequency distribution series, first of all you have to take out the deviations from xi. Okay? Afterwards, after taking the deviations from xi, you have to keep them in the modulus, and afterwards you people have to multiply it by fi. After multiplying, you people have to sum for all the observations. Not for all the observation, for all these things. आप जब observations के साथ ये process follow करोगे तो आपके पास जो values निकल के आएंगी उन सब का आपको sum करना है, and you people have to divide that by n. This is the formula to calculate mean deviation in the discrete frequency distribution series. Students, suppose we have to calculate the mean deviation about mean here. So first of all, we have to find out the mean. And as I know, you people are very well aware of how to calculate the mean. In fact, आपको methods भी पता है, direct method, shortcut method, step deviation and all. So it is very easy to calculate mean. So first of all, students, I am calculating over here mean with the help of direct method. So what is the formula to calculate mean from the direct method? It will be equal to sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. This is the formula. So to calculate sigma xi fi, we have to multiply these two first. So I am multiplying these two xi fi. 3 8s are 24. 9 into 10, this is 90. 17 into 12, this will be I think 204. 23 9s are, it will be 207. 27 into 5, it will be 135. Okay? So this we have got what? This is xi, but we want to calculate sigma xi. So sigma xi will be what? Inka sum. So what will be the sum of these students? Calculated, it will be, I think, it will be 660. And to calculate sigma fi, what I need? I want the sum of the all frequencies. So what will be the sum of the all frequencies? Please tell me. It will be 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5. That will be 44. So this is the sigma fi. So what will be the mean here, students? It will be 660 upon 44. So this is the mean. Let us solve it. It will be what? It is 22. It is 330. And when we are cancelling it with the table of 11, what we will get? We are going to get from here 15. So this is our mean here. Now we will take the deviations from mean. So students, after getting the mean, we are taking the deviations from the mean here. Now see here, xi minus 15. So what it will be? 3 minus 15 within the mode. What you will get? 12. 9 minus 15 within the mode. What you will get? 6. Exactly same here. 17 minus 15 within the mode. You will get 2. 23 minus 15 within the mode. You will get 8. 27 minus 15 within the mode. You will get 12. After taking the deviations, what you people have to do according to that formula? You have to multiply that by frequency. Now see here, 12 8s are, it will be 96. Fine. 6 10s are, it will be 60. 12 2s are, it will be 24. 9 8s are, 72. And 12 5s are, it will be 60. So what we have done, according to that formula, we have got all the things here. And according to that formula, we want summation of it. It means we have to sum all these So we have to do here sum. So when we are adding all these, what we are getting, students? We are getting 312. So we have got here sum as well. Students, now what we will do? We will put all the values over here. So what were all the values? This was our 312. है ना? So 312 upon n. What is your n? Sum of the all frequencies, and that was 44. So 312 upon 44, it will be equal to 7.09 approx. So this is your mean deviation about the mean. Now students, suppose you people want to calculate here mean deviation about the median. So for that you have to take the deviations from the median. And I think you people very well know how to find out the median in case of the discrete frequency distribution. So that's all. Okay, so it means you people have learned how to calculate mean deviation from the mean and the median in the case of discrete frequency distribution series.